Every year at our property we hold an Easter egg hunt with a difference.
Yeah, there's one stash man, he's upside down.
Participants are challenged not only to find objects but also to solve a series of puzzles and contraptions in order to locate a trove of hidden Easter eggs. Part of the challenge each year involves finding the 8 magic marbles used to unlock the Steampunk clock and release a key. The magic marbles, actually 3/4 inch steel ball bearings, are hidden around the property. Some are easy to find whilst others are hidden in other puzzles or contraptions. Once all 8 have been found, they can be used to unlock the clock. This is the story of how the clock was made and a look at how it operates. Hidden in the clock is also a secret compartment with more clues. I bought the clock for around $5 at a thrift store and thought it would make an ideal puzzle setting. The original face was painted over and a Photoshop one added. Firstly, the linkages for the secret compartment were designed and painted black. They were installed in the cabinet. The compartment itself was the original moulding from the bottom of the clock that I removed and added sliders to. Originally, I was going to have it slide open, powered by an old hacksaw blade spring, but this proved too powerful, so in the end I opted for a rubber band to do the job. Next came the ball roll mechanism. The original chime was still in the clock, so I designed a mechanism to ring the chime as each ball was inserted. After lots of test mechanisms, the final draw push was developed. It basically works with a latch that's triggered by the 8th ball and a counterweight, which is the big bolt that pushes it open. When all 8 marbles are found, they're placed in a hole at the top. When the first 7 balls are placed in, they drop into a vertical tube, slowly filling it up. The 8th ball is diverted by the full tube and triggers the latch. This in turn opens the drawer, revealing a key. Clues are given later in the hunt about the existence of the secret compartment. Here it is in action.